Okay everyone, now my sauce already done, so I'm gonna go ahead and make salad of the mung bean noodle salad. You see the sauce already done, and mung bean noodle right here, seafood, shrimp, squid, and pork ham. So ready to go. How easy when you set up the sauce like that, easy to make, and vegetable salad, everything ready to go. Let's go start it. Cannot wait. I'm so hungry, guys. Okay, ready to, very easy, 3/4 spoon first. Then I'm gonna squeeze lime in here, add some more lime. Reason why I put the whole thing right here, because I like the flavor of the oil of the lamb, so I take it out later. Right now, that's what I do. Okay, let's mix. Smells so good. The noodle right here, you can cut, make it small, easy to, not to be tangled. Yeah, that's it. Okay, add a little fish sauce, a little bit. That's it. And put this salad right here. Asian celery, spring onion. Put in here all the vegetable in here. Oh yes. And carrot, forgot carrot. Just like that. Eat salads, guys. Salad with mung bean noodle and seafood. How you want it. You want meat, you want seafood. It's up to you. That's how I do it, okay? Most important thing, make the sauce right here ready. I'm gonna add some more, 1 spoon. And taste. So good. Oh my god, number 1. Tasty, sour, spicy, garlic, everything smell, and especially the vegetable, Asian cilantro. Let's go eat, guys. All right, done. Oh yes. There you have it, guys. Come on, come on, eat with me. Mung bean seafood noodle salads, okay? There you have it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna eat now. If you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, and I can show you more and more how to do it. This is leftover, so or we can eat again and again, guys. Thank you very much. Okay, I'll see you next video, and I'm gonna eat now. All right, let's eat. Yummy. Thank you for watching, guys. I see you next video. Bye bye.